My name is Sarah Ehsan, and I have joined Aamir Ahmer Academy in 2022. I'm from batch 17, and with the help of Sir Aamir Ahmer and the team, I started my own e-commerce store. And these days, I'm working on my own e-commerce store, and all the strategies which Sir has taught us. I'm implemented all those strategies on my own e-commerce store to build up my portfolio and all that kind of stuff. And in this course you learn a lot of different modules, that is Facebook ad, Google ad, SEO, YouTube marketing, Instagram marketing, content marketing, copywriting, all much more in very cheap and minimal price, and how the different freelancing platform work. So you can get a lot of knowledge from this course. So I highly recommend you should join this course, and because I have learned a lot from this course, because this course is actually designed by the industry expert. So go and enroll from Aamir Ahmer Academy and empower yourself. Thank you.